I promised in my last video on how to destone and wash fonio seeds that I will make videos on different ways to make fonio seeds into meals, and this is me fulfilling my promise. Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm April. I make videos on food hacks and tips and healthy living options generally. So let's get right into the business of the day. I am starting by putting my water on the fire in my kettle while I go ahead to toast my seeds. This helps in amplifying the nutty flavor, thereby improving the tastes of the pudding. I'll be stirring at intervals, toasting it on medium heat for 2 minutes or until it starts popping gently. After stirring it a couple of times to make sure the heat goes round evenly, I will then put it off to cool off a bit for say 5 minutes so that it can cool. Then we take off from there. By now my hot water is ready. I removed it from the fire and then pour it into the mixture. Remember, it's been cooling a little bit, so I'm stirring it gently to make sure there is no lump, and also to make sure the water gets into every corner of the pot and each seed gets a feel of the water. I'm going ahead to keep a close watch on it, making sure to stir it consistently or at intervals so that it doesn't form lumps. Remember, we do not want lumps in our pudding. I mentioned in my last video that for fonio it is less makes more. That is, a little quantity goes a long way. This means that a little quantity of seeds swells up and gives you more. For this reason, I'll keep adding water, as you can see me do, stirring and making sure it absorbs the water as it is softening. I'll keep this up until it softens to my preference and it gets to my desired texture. I like to make mine a little thick, so that I can add hot water to loosen it up just before I eat it. It has gotten to my desired consistency, so it's time to let it simmer. I leave it to simmer a bit while I stir it from time to time, just to make sure it doesn't burn. Now I'm just putting the lid on, just to continue my simmering. This is just to make sure that it is properly cooked. I'll do this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our Acha pudding is ready. It's easy to make and super delicious. You can take it with milk and other additives of your choice. We enjoyed ours with milk, date powder, moringa powder and bananas. Feel free to be creative with it. Thank you for watching.